Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this tutorial we will start exercises of sketch in Fusion360. So our first exercise is very simple and very basic. This is our first exercise. We can see that this is a very easy sketch. If we look at this very clearly, it is that there is a rectangle, and then we can notice there is chamfer, and also this distance is given, so we don't need this chamfer, and there is a circle here and also here, and all the dimensions are given. So we need to start a rectangle, and the size of rectangle is 120 mm is length, and height is 44 plus 33 77. Go to sketch and select a desired plane. This is our top plane. We can press R, or we can select a rectangle from here. I will use center rectangle. The length of a rectangle is 120 mm and height is 77. This chamfer is 33, and also this distance is 33. So we will use a chamfer of first type, which is equal distance chamfer. Click on this and this line and give a dimension of 33. And this is our line which we will create manually. And the distance from this point to this point is 44, and this distance is 45. We can notice that these constants are visible here. We can hide these from this menu, and we need to trim these lines. Now we have two holes here. The diameter of this bigger one is 36 and the second one is 20, and also the distance is 36 and 36 from both sides. (36) diameter, and distance from this point to this point is 36, and also this distance is 36, and the distance for second one is 120 from this side, 84 from this side, and 20 from this horizontal line. 20 is the diameter, and the distance from this vertical line is 20, and for this horizontal line is 84. We can notice that our sketch is not fully constant. To make it fully constant, we need to give a dimension for this line. So go to sketch dimension and click on this line and this is done. So in this way our sketch is fully constant. In this way we can create sketch in Fusion360. If you understand and like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.